Hello, young learners! Welcome back to our exciting alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of the letter E. Get ready for some thrilling activities and lots of E words to discover. This is our star of the day, the letter E. Are you ready to learn all about it? Great! Let's begin with the basics. This is the letter E. It looks like a ladder, doesn't it? E makes the A and E sound, just like an egg and eat. Can you say A? Now say E. Awesome! Now let's explore some exciting E words. Are you ready? Here we go! E is for egg. Say egg. Great job! You just sounded out the letter E with the word egg. The egg sizzled and danced in the hot, buttery pan, turning from liquid gold into a sunny side-up smile. E is for eat. Say eat. Awesome! You're fantastic with sounding out the letter E. Eating our favorite foods is like a tasty adventure for our taste buds. Elephant. E is for elephant. Watching the elephant perform tricks at the circus makes us giggle with joy. Eraser. E is for eraser. The eraser danced across the paper, making our mistakes disappear like magic. Ear. E is for ear. My ears wiggled like bunny ears when I heard the music's cheerful beat. Awesome! Now let's learn how to write both the uppercase and lowercase e. Grab your magical pencils and paper and let's practice. Draw a long, tall line going all the way down. Now, let's add some arms to our E. Let's try lowercase e. Make a little curve like you're drawing a smiley face. Now give it a little tummy. That was fantastic, my little learners. You did an excellent job exploring the letter E with us today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be experts. Until next time, keep learning and exploring more E words. Bye, everyone.
Hooray! Yay!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more learning adventures.